Greetings friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here, and I just got this thing all strung up and tuned up and intonated, all set up and ready to go, and then I realized, dang it, that this potentiometer is faulty, which means I have to take the whole thing apart, set me hours back, unsolder it, take potentiometer out, throw it away, get a new one, resolder it, reinstall it, put it all back together again. Set me back hours. But anyhow, so it's just one of the frustrations when you have high levels of quality and high levels of OCD. I'm going to let you hear what it sounds like when you have a faulty potentiometer here. So, but before I do here, first off, unplugged. I'm tuned EBE. Okay, so now I'm going to let you hear the faulty potentiometer, what it sounds like. First off, I'm going to turn everything down, crank it up, and then crank this up. So now I have both pickups here. I have the single coil here and the under the saddle embedded piezo. So far so good. You don't hear any crapola yet. Up and down, nice and smooth. Okay, here's the guilty culprit here. Listen to this guy here. Listen. It's about halfway up and down. Listen. Hear that? It's like static and distortion. Unacceptable. There's just no way around it. Listen. So when it's full blast, there's no problem. But as soon as I turn it down, just like down to 7, now it's all unacceptable. All right, so now we're gonna take it all apart, do some open heart, open brain surgery, put it all back together, and then start all over again. All right, it's just, hey, dude, that's the way it's the way the cookie crumbles. So after several hours, we have successfully replaced this rogue potentiometer. So this is going to go into the trash. So, as you can hear, no static. Okay, so anyhow, this Cigar Box Guitar has 2 master volumes. Okay, so this one here is the one that controls the single coil here. So when its volume is down, it's entirely acoustic, and then whenever you turn it up, it engages not only the single coil, but also whatever the piezo is dialed up to as well. So if I turn the piezo down all the way, let's see here, which one's down? Yeah, so when the piezo's down also, then doesn't matter, this one is open or closed, it's still off. So this acts as a dual master volume. So if you crack this one open just a little bit, right, then it's like opening a gate, and then both of them will work. So it's a very, very useful, very musical circuit, you know. That's full piezo and full single coil. I did want you to hear the chords way up here on the fretboard. Listen well, I'm going to turn up some reverb so you can kind of really hear some of these beautiful sounds. Check this out. Let's get room. So I'll do 50% piezo and I'll do 100% piezo so you can hear it. So it's like 100% piezo and like 10% single coil. So very, very musical, versatile sounding instrument. So let me show you up close some of the things that make this guitar awesome, in my opinion. Okay, so to begin with here, we have antiqued dome knobs here on the volume controls for both the piezo and the single coil here. Look at the single coil here. I opted for the ring on here just because the ring and the single coil itself actually complement the maple neck. The other thing to point out here is just this box. Look at that beautiful box. I don't know if you can really see it in this light here, but it's got just colors, just vibrant colors that just pop. And it really is just a gorgeous, clean box. The other thing to point out here are these corners here. See how these corners here have been aged? You can kind of see they're not shiny, but they've been treated with that liver of sulfur, and it creates that real tarnished, trust me I'm old, patina. Same thing with the grommets on the sound holes. They kind of match the aged look of the hinge. I have aged screws in there as well. The only thing that's really not aged is this golden strap button, and I do have two of them here. I have the strap button for the bottom side and also the strap button here for the neck, so that you can kind of hold it with the strap on both sides here. The fretboard has been stained, and the stain also matches the stain on the saddle as well. And that's that rosewood, Brazilian rosewood stain. So I think it just offers a really nice contrast between this maple fretboard. I have screws for the inlays there, solder burns for the top. And then we went with these Stu Mac restoration style tuners for the tuners here. The neck itself has been lacquered and rubbed and lacquered and rubbed and lacquered and rubbed, so that and it's super smooth as well. Here, feel. Maybe you can see it better if I put it in the light there. Here, just reach out and grab that here. So anyhow, so this 3-string cigar box guitar really has a lot to offer, both musically, a lot of inspiration. I mean, seriously, this thing here has got just tone for days, and it's also pretty easy on the eyes, wouldn't you say? All right, I'm gonna leave you with a little musical outro. I hope you enjoy this blast from the past. Well, I hope you enjoy these Cigar Box Guitar videos. If you are new to the channel and you are not subscribed, by all means, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button. Don't forget to like and share. And there is a, a virtual tip jar in the upper right-hand corner of my YouTube channel. All right, if you want me to build you a cigar box guitar, by all means, you can email me at this email address right here. All right, I'll see you in the next video.